The journey of a lifetime, how to perform Hajj step by step. Introduction. Welcome to our guide on how to perform Hajj, the fifth pillar of Islam. Hajj is a profound spiritual journey that every Muslim is expected to undertake at least once in their lifetime if they are physically and financially able. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of Hajj, ensuring you understand the significance of each act. Let's begin this sacred journey together. 1. Preparing for Hajj. Before embarking on Hajj, proper preparation is crucial. Here's what you need to do. Intention, Niyyah, sincerely intend to perform Hajj for the sake of Allah. Knowledge, educate yourself about the rituals and significance of Hajj. Finances, ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the expenses of the journey. Health, get a health checkup and necessary vaccinations. Travel arrangements, book your flights and accommodation in advance. Ihram clothing, men need 2 white, unstitched pieces of cloth, and women should wear simple, modest clothing. 2. Entering the state of Ihram. Ihram is the sacred state a pilgrim must enter before performing Hajj. It involves bathing and cleaning, perform ghusl, ritual bath, and clip your nails. Wearing Ihram, men wear 2 pieces of white cloth, women wear modest clothing. Intention and Talbiyah, make the intention for Hajj and recite the Talbiyah, Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik. 3. Arrival in Makkah. Upon arrival in Makkah, performing Tawaf, circumambulate the Kaaba 7 times in a counterclockwise direction. Sa'i between Safa and Marwa, walk 7 times between the hills of Safa and Marwa. Cutting hair, men shave their heads or trim their hair, women cut a small portion of their hair. 4. The days of Hajj. Hajj is performed from the 8th to the 12th of Dhul Hijjah. The key rituals are: Day 1, 8th Dhul Hijjah, Yawm at-Tarwiyah. Travel to Mina, after Far prayer, travel to Mina and stay there overnight, performing the 5 daily prayers. Day 2, 9th Dhul Hijjah, Day of Arafah. Travel to Arafah, after Far prayer, head to Arafah and spend the day in prayer and supplication. Standing at Arafah, Waqf, stand in prayer and seek forgiveness from Allah. Travel to Muzdalifah, after sunset, proceed to Muzdalifah, perform Maghrib and Isha prayers, and collect pebbles for the next day. Day 3, 10th Dhul Hijjah, Eid al-Adha. Rami al-Jamrat, in Mina, throw 7 pebbles at the largest pillar, Jamrat al-Aqaba. Sacrifice, Qurbani, offer an animal sacrifice. Shaving/trimming hair, men shave or trim their hair, women cut a small portion of their hair. Tawaf al-Ifada, return to Makkah and perform Tawaf and Sa'i again. Days 4 to 5, 11th to 12th Dhul Hijjah, days of Tashriq. Rami al-Jamrat, each day, throw 7 pebbles at each of the 3 pillars, small, medium, and large. Stay in Mina, spend the nights in Mina and continue prayers and reflection. 5. Completion of Hajj. After completing the rituals in Mina, pilgrims perform a farewell Tawaf, Tawaf al-Wada, before leaving Makkah. This signifies the end of Hajj, and pilgrims pray for a safe return home. 6. Post-Hajj. Returning home after Hajj. Spiritual reflection, reflect on the spiritual journey and strive to maintain the improved habits and heightened spirituality. Sharing experiences, share your Hajj experiences with family and community, inspiring others to undertake this sacred journey. Conclusion. Performing Hajj is a deeply transformative experience, filled with spiritual significance and profound rituals. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Hajj is completed in accordance with Islamic teachings. May Allah accept your Hajj and grant you a blessed journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others prepare for their own Hajj pilgrimage. Thank you for watching. Outro. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the steps of performing Hajj. Remember, Hajj is not just a physical journey but a profound spiritual one that purifies the soul and brings you closer to Allah. May your Hajj be accepted, and may you return home with a renewed sense of faith and purpose. Assalamu alaikum.